How you feeling, Versatile Squad, y'all? As you can see by the title and the thumbnail, man, the day has finally come. Like I said, I was gonna get my mama in the car with for y'all, man. This is about to be hilarious. It's about to be a movie, man. I'm leaving work right now, about to head to go pick her up. And if you haven't seen it already, your boy did grab that new Insta360 One X2, y'all. So about to get a little first video with it right now, man. That's actually gonna be set up inside the car, so y'all can get that front view, back view, side view, all that, man. So about to get it to it right now, man. About to head to her house, man, pick her up. Man, I can't wait for this one. This one's about to be a movie, man. It's about to be funny for real. Pure comedy. But man, I'm gonna see y'all with my mama in the car, man. Alright, y'all. Finally got my lovely mother in the car. That's where I get my looks from, mostly. People say we look like twins. They used to always compare us, thinking she was my sister. I went to the doctors or anywhere, they would be like, is that your sister? Is that your brother? No, that's my mama.
Yep.
But y'all, about to go ahead and press record on there. Look how the camera's facing, man. It's, let me see, like that. It's up, but it can still get us, y'all. So you can get all the angles, man. This was one of my big reasons for getting this camera. About to take the film off, so y'all are about to see that right now, y'all, because I haven't used this camera at all. It's brand new. Boom. Let me see if I can get that bottom one off without having to look. Oh yeah. And then the other two are staying on until I get that screen protector for it, that little tempered glass. Thank you. Look at that though, y'all. It looks nice. And now your boy and his mama is all clear. Camera looking good. Let's get on the road. Alright, y'all, how your boy looking on the camera? My mama's a little nervous already. She a little camera shy. Got a nice little clear turn. We're only going 50. It's the speed limit. I told you it's gonna go.
All this noise. Make it seem like you're going fast.
Yeah, she don't like all the noise. All the noise the car makes scares her. Y'all should have seen her when the car was just straight pipe. She was yelling and screaming at me, slow down, slow down. I'm like, I'm not going that fast. They just sound like that because it's a sports car. Big V8 6.2 in this thing. Like, we got Brembos, mom, on all four corners. So we're gonna stop on the dime. You ain't gotta worry about nothing.
I'm fine. Good.
Y'all, she's actually the reason why I got this car, because when I wrecked my other car, she asked me what car I was gonna get, what I was gonna do, what am I gonna get next. And I was like, a Corvette. She's like, Corvette? You can't get that as your first car that you buy? I said, watch this. Just how when I was getting on twos, y'all, she really didn't want me to get on twos. You remember that?
Oh yeah, I remember that. Did not want that to happen. You did it anyway.
But my first bike didn't even run. I was fixing on it, y'all. I was fixing on it, y'all, and one morning she just woke up and the bike was in the backyard and she was like, where'd you get that from? That's not yours, right? Can you return it? I'm like, nope. I already signed for the title and everything, y'all. It's mine. Unfortunately, that bike didn't run. I had to sell it. Ended up getting another bike. That bike ran though. That bike ran good for a little bit. Then had to sell that one. Got another one. But I always upgrade. I started off with a 600, got a 750, and then that CBR 1000. Mama, I see him. I'm going. My foot's not even on the throttle. It's just making that noise. He reading the paper. He's not worried about me. I need
You see that when you see new tags, that means you need to be patient with them. They just got the car.
I need to get patient to get out of my way.
Oh, that shit expired December
Look, see,
2021.
I ain't no new car. They getting them temp tags.
They're pulling that tiny.
Yep.
Okay,
Oh man, y'all remember this? Give this video a big thumbs up, man. Hit that subscribe button down below, y'all. Leave a comment section, comment in the comment section down below, y'all. Let me know what other videos y'all want to see. Who should I get in the car next,
It's
man?
not your mama. One time deal.
Just one time? Come
Yeah.
on, mama.
Yep.
We're not even going that fast. Like I said, we're going the speed limit.
Okay.
The limit of the speed
Which
the
way?
car allows me to go.
I thought you were going to turn because that's the way to the house.
We is not going home yet. We still got a little bit more footage. Y'all let me know, was this a good purchase, the Insta360 camera, y'all? Because that is what I'm using right now to record. It does have 4 microphones, so I hope it's able to capture our voices and everything. That truck sounds so ugly. But it got 4 mics, so it's able to capture all our voices, and hopefully it's not getting too much of the car, you know. Hopefully it's able to determine what to make loud at that moment or whatever. I don't know how it works, y'all. Y'all know all the camera analytics. It got all the processors and sensors, y'all. So hopefully this was a good purchase, man. And about to get another I'm not gonna get on the freeway.
LJ, oh my God, LJ, we're gonna die. Don't do that. We're gonna die. LJ, don't do
Nobody's
that.
in front of me. Don't push that apart. You gotta knock on some spots. We're gonna stop right here. You're gonna knock on this tree.
Oh my
Don't
God.
push that upon us.
LJ.
What? You look, just look at your Apple Watch. We good. Look, we cruising like hell. You see how he was just cruising, enjoying his bike ride? That's how we are, enjoying our car ride.
Christmas time. Look at this
It is.
fool.
Look, but they know.
Oh man.
What? Thank you for getting in the car, Mama. See,
I
man.
thought we were gonna be home
Y'all see how
already.
nervous my mama is, y'all. Y'all hit that like button, that subscribe button just for her, man, because she having a little panic attack right now. I'm doing this for y'all, man. She doing it for y'all. She said she would never get in the car again when it was stopped. So this car got 100 more horses, y'all, and about 100 more pounds of torque. So she's taking it like a champ. So let's get a thank you, mama, down in the comment section down below, y'all, just for her. I'd get 2 more pulls, y'all. Look, it's a slingshot right there. Oh, I shouldn't have took this one. This one got a little body. I don't know. Caught a light bulb.
Yeah, you didn't get that water, did you? Because it may be hard to stop when you got the water. Did you get the water?
No, I didn't get the water. You saw me all the way on the yellow lines. I didn't get the water.
It don't feel slippery.
You wouldn't feel it. I wouldn't be taking this curve this fast if the tires were wet.
Okay. Alright, this was fun.
311 horses, y'all, that I just got put into the car.
Okay. That was
Oh,
nice.
man.
Okay, I'm gonna go home. LJ, it's Christmas time. LJ,
Oh, you heard that?
what was wrong? What happened?
A little backfire, that's it. That's all.
What does that mean? Wait. LJ, I don't like this street because it's only.
I don't like it
There's
either.
no
My car
room
don't
for
like
error.
it either. There
Like,
is
just
it.
slow because you're gonna be in the ditch and you're gonna hit a car. LJ, why you come this way?
I'm not gonna get nobody, and nobody can hit us. I got you.
No, please don't. Don't go around them. LJ, just go. Okay, this was fine. It's still.
Mama.
No, don't. LJ, don't do that. I don't like when people go around other cars.
I'm not.
Please don't do that. Like, just wait. Like, we're cruising. Like, just.
We are. You see that truck with the trailer?
Yeah.
I was just seeing.
Oh, okay.
God. And then that bad spot right here, anyways, where they still fixing the road.
Yeah. LJ. LJ.
Oh man, y'all.
Okay.
All right, y'all. I think we got enough footage,
I want to
man.
go home.
I'm about to take my mama home, man. And y'all can see.
LJ.
Let me roll up the window so y'all can hear us a little bit better, man.
LJ.
Say anything to the camera, mama.
I want to go home.
What do you think about the car?
It's too damn fast.
This is only the beginning for it, mama.
Yeah.
And it's gonna get 500 more horses eventually.
Y'all pray for him, please. I'm always nervous. Now I want to go home.
I'm sorry, mama. I love you at the end of the
I
day.
love you too, LJ.
It's gonna be okay.
My nerves are bad.
That's what she always tell me. My nerves are bad. My nerves are bad. You go to sleep and your nerves will be good. You ain't got no nerves when you sleep.
How about you just don't drive fast and then my nerves will be great?
Every day you can't shut the fuck up.
No, bitch, every day you can't stop motherfucking driving fast.
Oh, man. I didn't even get a chance to get into triple digits, y'all. We were still in double digits.
Oh, triple digits with who?
Oh, we're
Okay, you wait till I get out.
Oh, man.
You wait till I get out. You wait.
Alright, y'all. That's gonna be it for this one, man. Y'all remember stay versatile. Treat each day like it's your Friday, man.